Well, what I found out when I connected this gray servo motor and then changed my code, it messed up all of this code that's shown here, so that the microbit was showing errors. This microbit was showing a lot of errors, probably because there was too much code or some interference between the servo block under robot bit. There are servo blocks in here, and that seemed to overload what the microbit could handle, so it gave me a lot of error code. So then what I did was I began pulling extraneous code out of this program. Everything that's in beige has been pulled out, and eventually that seemed to allow the microbit to handle this the servo here, this gray motor, positional motor. So I'm going to put a link to this code in the description of this video. That will have the removed blocks in addition to the active blocks, so you can test it yourself. There's several activities here that could be done. There's quite a lot more that can be done here. Notice that I have the LED array turned off. LED enable is turned to false. That way it's not interfering. That means none of this shows up when the tank is activated. This board has 8 possible servo motors, 8 connectors for servos. So there's a lot that theoretically could be done if the microbit can handle it. So there will be more.